All right, it is Tuesday. Let's get started. Go over here, that window's awfully bright. Okay, remember rhyme production. That means that I'm saying the word and you're telling me a word that rhymes with it. Okay. Sail. You could have said pail, whale, male, scale, tail, fail, lots of them. Okay, let's try one more. Take. I hope you said something like bake, fake, wake, shake. Okay, let's try onset fluency. Remember, I say the word, you say the word, then tell me the sound it starts with. Chain, cha, shaking, sh, they, the, whale, wa, thunder. Okay, and just as a note, there's two kinds of sounds that TH makes. It makes the voiceless one. You can't feel it on your throat. It's just air coming out. And it makes the like the, they, and then you can feel that one. That one's called voiced. So usually there's one of each in our onset. Okay, blending. Remember, we're doing those same sounds at our blending. Ch, sh, th, wa. Okay, I will do the first two with you, and then you're going to do the rest. I'll say the word, you say the word, or no, we go like this. Blend it together. Okay, ch, op, chop, and then I'll tell you after. Wa. White. Is this. Thumb. Sheep. Sheep. Them. Shape. Shape. Chime. Ick. Thick. Okay, isolating medial sounds. Middle, that means the middle, and then telling me if it's long or short. Okay. Ice. I. Long. Ohm. O, long. Ace, A, long. Reed, E, long. I, long. You, long. Ode, O, long. All of them are long so far. Segmenting, get your choppers out. Third, third, shade, shade, shade. Then, cheese, when, these, chest, wheat. Okay, we're going to add our initial phonemes and then you blend it together. We're starting with ed, add sh to the beginning to make shed. We have at, add th at the beginning to make that. We have hour, add sh at the beginning to make shower. We have air, add ch at the beginning to make chair. We have arp, add sh at the beginning to make sharp. We have ash, add d at the beginning to make dash. We have ouch, add k at the beginning to make couch. Good. Now we're going to delete the initial phoneme. We have the word fish without f. What's left? Ish. We have the word thunder without th. What's left? Under. We have the word cash without k. What's left? Ash. We have the word chunk without ch. What's left? Unk. We have the word share without sh. What's left? Air. We have the word this without th. What's left? Is. We have the word choose without ch. What's left? Ooze. Good job. We just have substituting and you will be done. Okay. We have the word came. Change k to t. And the word is aim, tame. We have the word tire. Change t to f. And the word is fire. We have the word fade. Change f to m. And the word is made. We have the word woke. Change w to y. And the word is yoke. We have the word face. Change f to ul. And the word is lace. We have the word bite. Change b to k. And the word is kite. Great job. I will see you tomorrow.